Let's see the concept of potential and potential difference of a current. Okay. Now you can imagine there is a charge, so there is a negative charge minus. So this is at the fixed point. Okay. This is at fixed point. Now when you bring any another charge, similar charge or opposite charge. Okay. Suppose you are bringing positive charge from anywhere. Okay. Or you can imagine this charge is coming from very large distance, or it is coming from infinity. Okay, so it is going to the near of this another charge. Now how much this charge, positive charge, has done work? Okay, or how much work is done, W, or if this charge is Q, capital letter Q. Okay, so to bring this charge near this another fixed charge, he have done some amount of work, W. Okay, now this amount of work for this charge, or amount of work for unit charge, is known as potential, or how much it has consumed the energy or work. This is called potential. Okay, or potential is P equal to W by Q, or this work for unit charge. Generally this potential is denoted by V. Okay, or this V is known as volt. Okay, so this is what potential of this charge. Okay, when you bring from the infinity. Okay, or volt is known as the unit of potential, or V equal to W by Q. And when you solve this, work done will be W will be Q multiplies V. Okay, or to find the work done, if you know the potential, then multiply its charge, and this gives the work done. Okay, or if you don't know the if you don't know the volt, you can divide work by its charge. This amount is known as volt, or V equal to W by Q. Okay, and now unit of volt, or 1 volt. Okay, this is called, you know the definition, V equal to W by Q. W means work. Now SI unit of work is joule. If there is 1 joule, okay, or 1 joule work is done for 1 coulomb of charge. Okay, so this 1 joule, 1 capital letter J, for 1 coulomb, this amount is known as 1 volt. Clear? And finally, what is the potential difference? If there are 2 points on this electric field, or near these 2 charges, okay, and what is the difference between these 2 points, or what is the difference between this potential? This amount is known as potential difference. Okay, or generally you can imagine this has negative charge and this is positive charge. Okay, now it has now unit potential difference. Clear? If you increase the number of charges, if you put here 2 charges, that means now it has now double potential, or potential difference is 2V. Clear? And similarly, in any conductor, from one end to another end, when electron flows from one end to another end, that means now one end has higher potential difference and another is lower. It is minus or 0. Okay, generally potential difference is measured in terms of positive charge. Positive charge is high volt or high potential, and minus is known as low or negative charge.